Hello everybody, this is John Ashworth, otherwise known as the Fitness Nomad, and this is John Ashworth TV. Back again for another news desk report. For those of you anxiously awaiting the next edition of the How to Get a Gut series, you'll have to wait another week. I have a more important topic to discuss with all of you today. You hear the sound behind me? That, my friends, is the sound of consistency. I've talked about him before. Jerry, a 72-year-old, he moved a 2,000-pound tree earlier this spring, and he's been able to do that because he is extremely consistent with his training program and his constant pursuit of peak health. That's what it takes, consistency in your approach. We have created now a national healthcare system, healthcare for everyone at the expense of those of the rest of us who choose to take care of ourselves. Let me tell you the main problem with a healthcare system the way we've built it today. It hasn't addressed the root of the problem. Time and time again, this is the issue, this is the problem that I work with every day with clients here at the studio, is until and unless you address the root of the problem, you will not be successful. Let me give you a few examples. Example number one. If you start exercising regularly, people do this all the time. They sign up for training here at the Fitness Nomad studio. We have a plethora of tools available to help you address nutrition, healthy, low-fat, easy to prepare, perfectly balanced meals, everything you need in the calorie counts that you need them in. And guess what? People do. Well, I think I can do this on my own. I'll take care of the food part on my own. And guess what happens? That's right. It doesn't happen, and the results don't come. So, example number one of unless you address the root of the problem is unless you address nutrition, you will not get the results that you're after. A more specific and probably appropriate example is this. If you're struggling right now to get the results that you want, to start exercising regularly, to take better care of yourself, and then you're in the middle of a crazy schedule. Maybe you're a mom, maybe you're a dad, you're busy with your family, work is incredibly stressful, and you barely have any time to breathe, let alone find time to exercise and eat right. If you don't address that root level schedule problem, that lifestyle issue first, you will never be able to be successful with your health and fitness program. Same holds true for this new national healthcare system. So great, so what? So we're providing healthcare now for everybody. The only thing that really means, without addressing the root level problems, which I'll get to in a moment, is that healthcare is going to cost the government more money. In my opinion, there is absolutely no way we should be providing health care for everyone until everyone steps up and does what they're supposed to be doing. A better system may have been national health care and at the same time get rid of all the fast food restaurants out there. If you're going to address national health care and start paying for everybody to have health care, fine, I am all for that. But at the same time, we need to hold people more accountable for their personal behavior. And I know I can hear many of you out there right now, oh, John, that's too much big government. I don't want anybody telling me what to do. Well, then that's fine too, but then you can't suck off the government. You can't have it both ways. You can't have your cake and eat it too and expect not to get fat. It just doesn't work that way. So, America, please, this is for all of you. National health care, fantastic. However, at the same time, let's do our part, step up, be accountable personally, and build better health and fitness and nutrition programs for ourselves. Because until we do that, we are going to continue to have problems. My prediction, none of this will happen. And in about 5 or 10 years, we'll realize, that maybe it wasn't such a great idea to go out and start paying for health care for people who still aren't taking very good care of themselves. I'm John Ashworth, that's my opinion, and this is John Ashworth TV.